Good morning students. Welcome to the class. This is your web development lab class. Okay. In the previous class we completed the table concept. So today we will discuss about frame or frame set. How the display screen is divided into different frames. Okay. Let us discuss. Frameset. The frameset tag defines a frame set. Okay. The frameset elements holds one or more frame elements. That means frameset tag defines the frameset. That means within the frameset one or more frame elements are there. Each frame element can hold a separate document. That means one frame can hold one separate document. The frameset element specifies how many columns or rows there will be in the frameset and how much percentage or pixel of space will occupy each of them. That means the frameset tag or element specify how many row or column we set there and how much space he will occupy there. All these things also we specify in the frameset tag. Okay. There are two attributes for this frameset. One is calls and another is rows. Calls is specify the number and size of the column in a frameset. How many columns are there in a frameset? This calls attribute is specify that one. And rows specifies the number of rows in a number of size and number of rows and how much size are there that much specified in a rows. Okay, so let us explain one example, then we will clearly understand this. So first we define for this frameset we use the frameset tag. Okay, first we define the frameset. So here we partition this frameset tag using two columns. One is 25%, another one is also three columns. One is 25, another one is 25, and rest of this and rest third one is your after much, that means 50%. If the screen is your 100%, then first part is your 25%, middle part is your 50%, last part. Here we also write asterisk, here we also write the number. Okay, then we set one frame for this. That means first part we set one file, second part we also set one file, third part we also set one file. For this we use frame tag. This one frameset tag is only partition the screen, and frame tag is used for set the file which is displayed that portion. Okay, for frame we link the file means here we use src tag. Frame src equal to file name. This file name is done previously. Okay, then frame src equals to frame b.htm and frame src equal to frame c.htm. In this way we set all the frames or we link all the frames and close the frameset tag. So let us one example discuss here. Again we understand clearly. That means here we divide the screen and link different files. Okay, here first we write HTML. One thing all of you remember, this frameset tag is written in the header portion, not in the body part. Okay, so here HTML, then we write frameset rows equal to 45% and 65%. That means here the screen can be divided in two rows. First row is your 45% space occupied, second row is your 65% space occupied. Then first row is your we link one file, which one is frame src frm.html. frm1.html file is we previously created, so that here we link here we type the file name. Okay, and the frame name is fr1. Okay, then again the 65% row, that means second row, we partition this second row again two columns. That means here we say write frameset calls equal to 30% comma 70%. Okay, the first file is your frame src equal to frm2.html, name equal to fr2, and frame third file here we do not link anything, this one is blank. Okay, so for this here we write only frame name equal to fr3. Then here we write here we open how many frame set, two frame set. For first we close this frame set, in between the frame set this one slash frame set, again we close this frame set, then we close the html. So this one is your main file which is looped in this way. Okay, that means here the frm1.html is this file, and frm2 is your this file, and this one is blank. Okay, again also we here we write the frm1 file, what is written in the frm file. In the frm file here we write the skdb government polytechnic and the one picture set, image set here, and in the frm2 we write here about us, mission, vision and contact. All this write in a hyperlink text. When we click this hyperlink, it will open another file. Hyperlink concept also we will write, we will study previously. Okay, the about us here three files are there, that means four text are there, and all the text are hyperlink text. Okay, if we place the mouse pointer to the text on the text, the mouse pointer is changed like a hand symbol. Okay, after that when you clicking this, it will open another file and display in this portion, and that means display in this area. For this display in this area, we write one attribute here which is target. That means target equals to fr3. fr3 is which one? fr3 is our frame 3. Here only we specify the name, not any file link here. Okay, so this fr3 name is right here. That means target equal to fr3. That means in this area, this the file are opens. Okay, so let us run this, and all these things are displayed here. All of you create these files previously. About.html file also create previously. Mission.html, vision.html, contact.html, all these files all of you create previously. Then you link this here. Okay, so let us run this file and we display one by one. Okay, this one. So first file is here, we write the SKDB Government Polytechnic and two horizontal ruler are there. That means this one is your frame 1 file. All these things we write not in your main file, only we write this frm1.html file. Here all these things are done here. Okay, that means one heading is there, two horizontal ruler is there, again one image is also set there. Okay, after that in frm2, here again the second row is partitioned in a two way. That means this much, this is your screen, and the screen can be divided into two parts. One row is there, first row is your 40%, second row is your 60%. Again the second row can be divided into two columns. This one is your left column, which is your 30%, and this one is your 70%. So in this way we divide this frame and name this frame and link one file in this frame. That means in the first row, first frame is linked with frm1.html. In the frm1.html, this design or these things are written here. That means one image is set here, two horizontal ruler is set here, and one heading is also there. And in frm2.html, here we write one heading, which is your HTML concept. Okay, HTML concept, and about us, mission, vision, contact us, and this text are hyperlink text. Okay, and when we click this text, that means when we put the mouse pointer in this text, the file is open in this area. So let us look. Okay, when we click on about us, the about us file is shown here. When we click this mission, then mission file is shown here. In this way, when we click all these things are displayed here. So in this manner we can divide the screen and partition the screen in different form, in which way you want to design. Okay, and you set all these things in this manner. Okay, so this one is your one example. Again, another example also here. Here also in this manner, we divide the screen in between two rows, one is 40 and 60. Okay, in this way. Then first is your frame1.html, which is this file. Okay, we link this frame1 f1. Again we divide the screen between two parts in our two columns. For this we write here calls equal to 30% and 70%. Then here we link one file for the left side and the right hand side frame also blank. Okay, so the screen is look like this. Let us run this example and this one. Okay, here only display the name and one logo is there. In that side, in the left hand side, this all these things are HTML concept. That means all these text are hyperlink text. When we put the mouse pointer over this text, it will change this mouse pointer symbol. Okay, that means when you clicking this text, the color also changes there. All this one is your HTML tags. Different HTML tags means this different heading tags are displayed there. Then formatting text are there. Again image, we display the image file. Hyperlink, here you also display the, that means here hyperlink files, this one is also link here. Okay, then we also display the table. This one also shows here list, this one is also shows here. So in this way all the screen can be divided into different parts, and you can also link and display different things in different manner, design in different way also. Okay. So that much in this class. This one is your Frameset, and all of you, I think all of you clearly understand this. If any doubt, you can also ask me and written in your record copy clearly and with the output. So thank you for this class.